Hey guys, so I'm on day 3 of recovery from my umbilical hernia repair. I also wanted to add too that I did not have mesh put in mine. It was small enough to where she said I didn't need it, so that was great. Day 3 was definitely better than day 2, and I've not been on any Vicodin today at all. Actually, no ibuprofen either. Mostly just been resting still, and I'll show you my incision. Can you see it? Yeah, it's got the little tape on it, so you can't really see it. But I just use these. Today's been like an icing day. For some reason, I really wanted to ice it, so I've been using these, and I just put it on. You don't want to get it wet, I guess. But yeah, I just keep that on, and then my band. Just wrap my band around. So definitely, you need a band. Definitely get some good ice packs, and lay low for sure. I did have to take my kids to swim practice today, which was just like down the street, like not even like a mile and a half away. And I could not put my seatbelt on, and I could not go over 25 miles an hour. So that was kind of sad, and I shouldn't have probably gone, but they had to go to practice. So anyways, that's day 3. I feel better than yesterday for sure, so I'm excited for tomorrow. I think tomorrow I'll have even more energy. So there you go.